subject to significant bending stress in transport. It's critical. Together, the three pipes will serve as a heating panel, warming the chemical cargo to keep it in a liquid state. This is important because when some chemicals solidify, their purity can be compromised. The team now slides the first of many metal rings onto the tank and clamps each ring to the shell. These rings will stiffen the structure and act as a kind of exterior skeleton. Tack welds are then put in place. Then a semi-automatic welder makes the full, solid welds. After attaching a steel framework to the bottom, a crane transfers the inner vessel to the trailer. Insulation is then tucked between the gaps, and the tank is secured to the trailer using intermittent welds known as stitch welds. The next member of the team wraps strips of rigid foam around the steel vessel. They're spaced evenly apart and secured to it tightly with metal straps. This creates compartments for fiberglass insulation. More insulation is tucked into the spaces, blanketing the vessel so that the chemical freight will stay warm and fluid. The team now builds the outer shell. They pull stainless steel sheets around the inner vessel with thick nylon ties. Made of thinner steel than the kind used to construct the inner vessel, these sheets easily conform to the cylindrical shape. The sheets are then welded into place, completing the outer shell. Once a manhole has been installed at the top, the crew builds a metal platform around it. This platform will allow a person to access the manhole without slipping and denting the outer shell of the tank. A ladder is needed to reach the manhole, so one is screwed onto the side. Another member of the team connects LED tail lights to wiring and inserts them into light boxes at the back of the trailer. Once in position, he screws the light's metal surrounds to the light box. It takes about 5 days to build a chemical tanker. But once finished, the streets of the US of A will be safe from toxic pollutants and, of course, potentially chemically induced mutant zombies for years to come.